Hey everyone, welcome back. So if your laptop Wi-Fi feels super slow in 2026, like pages taking forever to load or videos buffering constantly, yeah, that's annoying, but don't worry. I'm gonna walk you through a full fix step by step. First thing, and honestly the simplest, restart your laptop and your Wi-Fi router. I know it sounds basic, but it clears temporary glitches that often slow things down. Now check your signal strength. If you're far from the router or there are walls in between, your speed can drop a lot, you know? Try moving closer and see if things improve. Next, go to your Wi-Fi settings, forget the network, and reconnect again. This can fix weird connection bugs that build up over time. Also, check for apps running in the background. Stuff like cloud sync, downloads, or updates can quietly eat your bandwidth. So yeah, close anything you don't need. Okay, this one helps a lot. Change your DNS to something faster like Google DNS. It can improve browsing speed even if your internet plan is the same. Now check your Wi-Fi drivers. Outdated drivers can seriously slow your connection, so update them through Device Manager or your laptop brand's website. If your router supports it, switch to the 5 GHz band instead of 2.4. It's usually faster and less crowded, especially in busy areas. Finally, run a speed test. This helps you see if the issue is your laptop or actually your internet provider. So, yeah, it's a good reality check, and that's pretty much it. If you follow these steps, your laptop Wi-Fi should feel way smoother. If not, it might be a router issue or even your ISP, but most of the time this fixes it.